What's up guys, welcome back to the Cheesy Desert Cooking Vlog. Today we're making a tasty bacon mac and cheese. However, I forgot to turn on my microphone about a quarter way through filming. Don't worry, because I improvised. So as usual, we're gonna put some bullshit content on the internet. Okay guys, our ingredient list is simple. I like macaroni shells because the cheese goo gets inside and then explodes when you bite into it. For our cheeses, we have cheddar, Gruyere, and Parmesan. And lastly, we need bacon. Farmer John's maple bacon is the absolute best bacon. It's my favorite store-bought bacon, and Farmer John is one handsome devil. Bring a pot of water to a boil. You do this by putting water into a pot and then turning the fire on until it boils. Add salt and olive oil to the water, then cook your shells until al dente. That's like 8 to 10 minutes. While we wait, we're going to cut our cheeses using this knife box. Let's start with the cheddar. Now our Gruyere. We'll worry about the Parmesan later. By now, your shells should be done. Drain them out into a bowl that has holes in it. Next, we need to cut our bacon into small pieces. Use your knife box to get to the perfect size. In the same pot, add your bacon and cook until Krispy Kreme. When done, use this holy spoon to remove the bacon and drink the juice left over. It's good for you. Throw in a stick of butter and melt it down, because baby, we're making a roux. Add flour to your melted butter and stir it until it turns pasty like Gwyneth Paltrow in Goop. I'm switching to a regular wooden stir stick. The holes are failing me. Now we need to add some fresh milk from a cow's udder. So give it a good squeeze and mix it together. Our sauce should be getting saucier. Now's a good time to add in your cheddar and Gruyere. After a quick stir, season it with salt, cayenne, pepper, and paprika. Then add your shells and your bacon. And the last step is to finish this off in the broiler. Add your mac and cheese to an oven-safe bowl. Now I'm topping it off with panko breadcrumbs. This will give it a real nice crunch. Here's where the Parmesan cheese comes back. Grate that on top as well. Pop it all into the broiler at high for 5 minutes or until the top is browned. And that's all there is to it. The broiler makes all the magic happen. See? It sprouted these pretty rosemary leaves. Guys, this mac and cheese is so good. There are so many rich flavors and varying textures between the shells, the bacon, and the crispy top. It's all pretty amazing. Subscribe to my channel, share with your family, subliminal messages. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look us up. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Desert Cooking. As usual, the link is going to be...
I gotta go to work.
Wait, what's that?
It's Easy Mac.
I just spent all day making a bacon mac and cheese.
Easier. It's faster. It tastes better.
Oh. Maybe go find me a new girlfriend while you're out there, huh?
What did you say?
Nothing.
Everybody, rock your body.
Okay, I think we got it.
Let me see.
I don't know how to rewind on this thing yet.
How do you not know how you're doing?
I don't know. I'm not good at this YouTube thing. It's too much.
Backstreet